Hello, Team Canaveral. This is Mr. Brown, your social studies teacher, and this is a screencast primarily for the students who are working at home. So, if you go ahead and open up Canvas, look at your courses, you should be able to easily find my course, Social Studies. Look for the GIF with the American flag and the astronauts. Tap on that to open up the course. And what you're going to see is the course home page. The course home page describes social studies in 8th grade, and then it has a grid that contains the 9 units that we will work through this school year. I use the word mission for unit, so you'll hear me refer to Mission 1. Well, that's basically Unit 1, which is what we are going to start with. I will always highlight the current mission that we are working in. I'll highlight that in green, and I'll place the little Bitmoji pin right here. So, if you tap on Mission 1, you'll next go to the Mission Overview page. That gives you a little idea of what we're going to be working with during the unit. Okay? And then on the Mission Overview page, there's another grid that I will add to as we work through the mission together. Okay? I will have one Canvas page for each one of the houses. There's not going to be a separate Canvas page for Miller House or a separate Canvas page for West House. There is one page for the entire team. This particular page will be for Tuesday and Wednesday, August 4th and August 5th. So this is what we're going to be working on. Now, what you're going to notice when you go to a specific lesson page, you'll see some things that are familiar, essential questions, enduring understandings, and learning objectives. But I will have specific agenda items for the Team Canaveral students who are at West. Those will be items next to the orange icons. Okay? So if you're at West on that particular day, these are the things we're going to do in class that day. If you're not here at West on this particular day, which half of you aren't, then you'll scroll down on the same page and you will see a list of items for the Team Canaveral Social Studies students who are working at home. These are items that are next to the black icons. All right? And what's going to happen is, next to this video icon, I'm going to put this screencast video. Okay? So, for those of you at home, I will see you tomorrow here at West. But what I want you to do is that I want you to take a look at this article here that I've got linked right here. And I want you to read that. It's a short article. It's a couple of pages. And then respond to the following discussion prompt. That'll be linked right here. It's an article about a person who visited the NASA Mission Control room located at the Johnson Space Center down in Houston, Texas. And once you read that, respond to the following discussion prompt. I'll need you to do that today so that you get counted for attending social studies today. Okay? Now, down below at the bottom of the page, you've got 2 links. One that'll take you back to the Mission 1 homepage, and one that'll take you all the way back to the course homepage. Okay? Now, we'll go over these things a little bit more detail in class, but I wanted to give you an overview on how the Canvas page is set up and what I need for you to do today. All right, we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.